How to clear cache files on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can clear cache files on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now there are multiple ways to clear your cache files. For example, if you want to clear them manually from all of the apps, or if you want to do all in once, there are a couple of ways you can do it. First way I will show you how you can clear the cache for an app manually. So open settings and go ahead and select apps. Once you select apps over here, we will select an app on which we want to clear the cache file. So let me select any of the games or apps over here. Once you select that, you can go ahead and simply tap on the button which says storage. As soon as you select storage, you'll basically be able to see a list of various options on the screen. And if you look at the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll find this option which says clear cache. And all you have to do is tap on clear cache button. And once you can see, you'll see that clear cache has been actually redirected to 0 bytes. This is one way to do it. The other way you can do is to download an application called Ccleaner, which is my personal favorite. So you could open up your Play Store basically generally, and here over here you want to simply type in Ccleaner. Now Ccleaner is one of the best and the free apps which you can use in order to clear cache and RAM on your Android phone. So download it and then open it, and it will scan some of the cache files. Now you might want to deal with a bunch of different ads because that's simply how it works. So once you tap on the quick clean button, you can see it says checking for junk files, and you might want to deal with the ads depending upon the application. However, once the ad has been successfully closed, we will be able to successfully clear our cache files. So let me go ahead and then close this ad, just for example, right over here. As we close this ad, now you can see all of these visible caches, installed APKs, empty folders, and so on. We have to simply tap on the finish cleaning button at the bottom, and it is going to ask us for permission. So we'll tap on clear temporary app files, and it will basically clean some of the junk files which are stored on your Android phone. And this is how you could very easily clear cache on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.